Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1B, which is about the HCF and LCM. HCF HCF is highest common factors and lowest common multiple या least common multiple few people are calling it, so it is LCM. We have to find the LCM. Directly we are jumping into question number 1, and question number 1 is saying find the highest common factors of each of the following sets of numbers. Number A is 12 and 30. 12 and 30. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that there are two ways of finding the factors of a number. One is called the listed method, and the second one is called by division method. We will do and explore both the methods. Whatever method you are liking, then you can follow it. Okay, let us find the factors of 12. And to find the factors of 12, there is 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors, in fact, of this. And there is 30. So in 30, there is 2 into 3 into 5. This method of finding the prime factors is equal to what? This is called listed method. So we have to take the common inside it. One is this and the second one is this. We don't have to take the non-common for HCF, for highest common factor. So we are writing 2 into 3. So the answer is 6. And gentlemen, there is another method in which there are both the values are written in the same. Both the values are written in one frame. So we have to find only the prime factors. 2 to 6 are 12 to 15 are. So there is a common factor, and that is 3, in which both of them are coming, yani 6 and 15. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Stop it when there is no common factor between the two. Don't divide it. Stop the division when there is no common prime factor. Common prime factors. Ladies and gentlemen, what does it mean? Here there was 3, 6 and 15. We can take common is 3 from it. So it will remain 2 and it will remain 5. If you are multiplying again this 2 with 3, then it will become 6. Similarly, if this 3 is, then it will become. So there is no common factor inside this. and then you have not to include this in the result. This is called division method. Again, only there are two factors, which is true multiplied by 3, and that is 6. So in both the methods you can do whatever you want. Our second one is 84 and 156. B part is 184 and 156. 156. We have to enlist the factors of this. So there are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4, 12 7s are. It is 84, not 184. It is 84. Now here we are having 156. Let me confirm from the book that it is 156. Yes, it is 156. So again 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. So this is the common, this one is the common, and this one is the common. 7 and 11 are not the common factor. So we have to include only 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12. Again you can do that by this division method. Let us do that. It is, for example, we are having 84 and 156. In the first lecture I told you that those number will be divisible by 2 whose last digit is 0 or even number. So if you haven't learned this, so it means that there is also here it is 13, not the uh, uh, 11. So it is 13. Remember, we are only having concern with the common number. So here you have to find, ladies and gentlemen, only the prime numbers. So 2 is a prime number. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 7s are 14, and then 2 8s are 16. Again it can be divided by 2 2s are and 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 9s are. There is a common, both will be divisible, remember, not one. So here 3 is the common, 3 7s are and 3 13s are. There is no common factor here, so we have to stop the division here. We don't have to divide it further. So only these value will be included in the answer, and again 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and that is the 12 answer. These are the factors. So there are two methods through which we can do all these questions. Now we have to do the C part, and that is 15. And if we enlist the prime factors of that, only 3 and 5. The second one is 60. 60 is 2 multiplied by 2, because 30 and 15, then 3 and then 5 is the multiplication, and 7, the next one is 75. So 75 factor is 3 into 5 into 5. These are the factor. So what are the commons inside? There is a 3 here, there is a 3 here, and there is a 3 here. For example, we have to take this 3 and 3 here. So one is the 3 and the second one is the 5 here. So which 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Okay, that was the C part. Now we are coming towards the D part, and the D part is saying that 77. First one is 77. So 7 and 11 is the common. 91 and 7 and 13 are the prime factors. Remember, 143 is the next one, and that is 11 and 13. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two commons inside it, but the third 7 is not there. There are two 13s here, but 13 is not, so nothing is common there. When nothing is common there, you must have to understand that 1 is the common factor. 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 is here, and this 1 is common in all the three. So the highest common factor is 1, and 1 is the answer. Now we are turning our focus to question number 2, and that is 24. What the question is saying, find the lowest common multiple of each of the following sets of numbers. The first one is 24 and 30. 24 and 30. This is my advice, that you can use the enlisted method, but when you are finding the LCM, then use the division method. So this is divided by 2 12s are, and this is divided by 2 15s are. Now 3 4s are, and now 3 5s are. 3 5s are is the 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. So here the LCM will be, if you are doing it 4 1s are 4 and 5 is not divisible, so it will come. You can stop either here, or you can go in case of LCM. But in case of HCF, you have to stop the division when there is no common prime factor. But you are using this value. In the HCF, you are not using these values in the answer. But in the LCM, you have to use these numbers. So then we are having 1 and 1. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120, I think. 120. 24 5s are 50 and 120, yes. So 120 is the answer. The B part is saying that 42. This was the A part. Now we are taking the B part, and the B part is saying that 42. 2 into 3 into 7. are the factors. And the next one is given as 462. 462. So 2 into 3 and 7 and 11. It is 462. So 3 and 7 and 11. Remember that in the LCM, when you are doing the listed method, then you have to take common and non-common numbers as well. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. So 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, and 42 multiplied by 11 to 2. So 462 is the answer. Now we will do part number C, and first one is 12, and 12 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the second one in your book is given as 8. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Sorry. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are, okay, this is 18, not the 4. 2 9s are, so first one is the 2, then 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the common, and the next one in your book is given as 81. So 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 raised to the power. Okay, from this side, if I am starting, so this 3 is the common, and there are other 3 as well. 1 2 3. There are other 3, so 3 raised to the power 2, and so 3 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. One is this and one is this. So 3 raised to the power 4. One is this, the second one is this, third one is this, and the fourth one is this. So 3 raised to the power 4. In this you have to use, if 2 are the commons, then you have to take, not the 3 one. In this case 3 are the common, I took it. But here 2 is the common, so I took it. 3 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. So that is why I wrote 3 raised to the power 4. Now when we calculate this, 381 and 81, 4s are, 4 1s are 4, and 324 is the answer. 324 is the answer. Okay, now we are doing the D part, and in the D part in your book it is given that the first one is 63. The first one is 63. And the prime factor of 63 is equal to 3, because first it is divided 3 twos are and 3 ones are, and then multiplied by 7, again multiplied by 3, and see that it is 3 raised to the power 2, 3 threes are 9, and then 7, because 9 sevens are 63. The second one is written as 80. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. This is 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, and 16 fives are 80. Now, which there is 3 here, but there is no 3 here. There is 3 here, but there is 7 here, but there is no 7. So you have to write all the values. No common is there. So you have to take all the values, and that is 3 into 3. First we are starting from 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can write it 2 raised to the power 4. And then 3 raised to the power 2. I am writing. And then 5 and then 7. Let me do it on the calculator. Okay, there is the third one as well in the question, and that is 102. Yes, I saw that there are 3. 102, and the factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. These are the 3 factors. So now the answer will be changed. Okay, this is the common one. There is no other common. So you have to write 3 times these two. This one, and this one. Then there is no common 3, and there is no 5, and there is no 17. So you have to write that as. And when I did it on the calculator, the answer came out as 85,680 is the LCM. What does it mean? It means that this is the smallest number which is divisible by all these 3, 63, 80 and 102. There is a largest number, but there is the smallest number which are common to this. Now we are turning our focus to question number 3. You are having this question number 3, and question number 3 is saying that find the largest whole number which is a factor of both 42 and 98. Now largest means highest common factor. So 42 prime factor are 2 into 3 into 7. What is the second number? That is 98. So 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. These are the factors of this. Then we have to take the common. In HCF we have to take the common factor only, and that is 2 and 7. Non-common factor are taken in the LCM. but not in the HCF. So there is 2 into 7, which is equal to 14. Now we are turning our focus to question number 4. The numbers 792 and 990. 792 and 990 written is the product of their prime factors. So ladies and gentlemen, it is given in the fourth question. The factorization is given to you, and they are saying 792 first. 792, and it is given. I am exactly copying it. 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 2 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 into 11, and the second one is given as 990. The second one is given as 990, and 990 2 into 3 square, 2 into 3 square into 5 into 11 into 5 into 11. Now, first of all, we have to see that what are the common. There is 1 2 here, so and 1 2 is also in these 3 2's. So it means only 2 is common. 2 raised to the power 3 means 3 2's. But here only 1 2 is there. So it means that this is, and 3 raised to the power 2 yani 3 2's and 3 2's. So 3 raised to the power 2 and 11 are the common factors inside this. So when I calculated this on the calculator, it came out to be 198. 198, and that is the answer. Question number 5. We are doing in exactly the same fashion in which question number 4 was, with only the values are different. So first one is given as 176, and the factors are given in the book. 2 raised to the power 4 and 11. 2 raised to the power 4 and 11. And similarly, they given us 342. 342, and also they given us the factorization 2 into 3 raised to the power 2, and there is one more factor, that is 19. So we have to find the smallest mean LCM, lowest. So LCM is common factors and non-common factors. Common factors and non-common factors. 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4. So LCM is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 2, and 11 into 19. Let me do it on the calculator. 4 times 2, 3 times 2 times 3, then 11, then 19. So 30,096. 30,096 is the answer on the calculator. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is very important question, and they told us in the question number 6, find the smallest value of n such that the LCM of n in 15 is 45. We will find the value, but first let me give you a concept. N and 15 and the LCM is 45. We have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. The question is saying this: what will be the value of n when the LCM of n is taken with 15? It becomes 45. So we have to find the 15 factors first, and that is 3 into 5. And then we have to find the 45 factors, and that is 3 square into 5. 3 square into 5. Only we have to find this, that 3 square. So n is, this will be the n. And what is the common? N is equal to 3 square. Not this one. N and something else. N and something. So this is the first one. 3 square, which is equal to 9. So it means that the value of n is 9. Now let me explain it. If we are taking the LCM of 9 and 15, then it will become 45, because 45 is the smallest number which is divisible by both 9 and 15. 9 5s are 45 and 15 3s are 45. So 9 is the correct answer. 7 number question, and that is given as Huaxian needs to pack 171 pens. The Huaxian took 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 eraser from the shop. Why? Huaxian want to make the gift bags for friends, and there is a compulsion that in each packet there must be the same number of pens, pencils and eraser. So pens are 171 and the 171 is the 3 into 3 into 19. 3 into 3 into 19. Then 63. There is 3 twos are and 3 ones are, and then 3 and then 7. 3 into 3 into 7. Then there is 27 erasers. So 27 eraser mean 3 threes are 9 and 9 threes are 27. 3 raised to the power 2. Now we have to take the common. This is common and this is the common, because we are finding the highest number of packs. So highest common factor, and that is equal to 3 into 3 and 9. So this is the first answer, that Huaxian can make 9 packs in which pencils, erasers, and pens are there from this data. Now, the second part of this question is asking, that was the part number 1, and the part number 2 is saying that the number of each item in a gift pack, how many items will be there in. So, first of all, I am writing pens. 171 pens and 9 packs are there. So, 1 and 9. So, 19 is the answer. Now, the number of pencils. How many total pencils are there? 63. And 9 is the total. So 7 pencil must be there in one pack. 19 pens, 7 pencil, and now we are going to find the erasers. How many erasers are there? 27, and divide by 9. So 3 are the eraser. Now you can see that 19, 7 and 3 are the eraser. Okay, that's it for today, because we are running out of time, so we will do this question tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press on the bell icon, so you will be notified immediately when I upload the video. Thank you and have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.